My name is Gaston. Thank you so much for taking the time to look at our inventory here at BISH'S RV. Today we're going to be going over a 2022 25W Arctic Fox. Really nice layout with a lot of nice features that come on this particular unit. Okay, if we walk right over here, one thing that you're going to see is that it's going to come with a power tongue jack. Okay, you got individual lights, so when you are connecting at night or in the dark, you can go ahead and turn either one of them individually on to give you better visibility, as well as having light right here in the tongue. Okay, one of my favorite features about this particular unit is that it does come with the 5-point leveling system. As you can see right here, you're going to have one in the front, right corner, left corner, in the rear, right and left, and then also in the front. They'll all work together. So all you have to do is, once you get hooked up, you press a button and it automatically levels your coach out without you having to do any guesswork or any leveling, with a level on the unit itself. Okay. Another thing that you're going to notice is that you have two entrances to this particular unit. This one's going to take you directly into the room, which is a really nice feature. So that way you don't have to walk all the way through the coach if you have to, maybe take a step outside and take a breather. Another thing you'll notice is that you have a lot of storage compartment right here. Okay. And then you're also going to have a battery kill switch, which will allow you to disconnect the battery without disconnecting the battery. So let's go ahead and walk back here. One thing that you're going to notice with the, Arctic Fox does a great job. They try to find every little area that they can put storage in, and they'll go ahead and make a compartment for you to be able to carry more stuff. So one thing you also notice is with these, you're going to have a magnet stopper right there to hold it up, and what you'll notice is you'll have one of the thickest walls in the industry, even for your compartments. Come on back here. You'll notice right off the bat that this one's going to come with the adjustable solid step that folds right in and out into the door. Okay, so it makes it nice. So if you ever have to adjust the height, on different levels, you'll be able to do it by adjusting those legs. Okay. If you come on around the coach, one of my favorite things as well is that you have an outside shower with access to the roof, where you would be able to strap stuff up there as well, because it comes with a roof that will carry up to I believe it's like a couple hundred pounds. So really nice feature. It will also come equipped with the tow hitch, so if you want to connect maybe a bike rack, or maybe have carry a generator with you, or extra fuel, or any other things that you want to carry while you're camping or traveling, you'll be able to mount something right here. It does come equipped with a backup camera ready. It's not just the mount, it actually has a camera on there as well, so that will definitely save you on the cost to get it fully connected. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a step inside. Once again, just a couple of things that I absolutely love about this particular unit. One of them is going to be the access to the refrigerator. Okay, your refrigerator is right next to the door, so loading your groceries, anything like that, makes it nice and easy. If you're driving down the road and you have to pull over, maybe get a drink out, or maybe make a quick sandwich, you have access to it right there. Okay, right next to there, you'll see that you do have your stove as well, with your 3 Furrion burner top. Really nice microwave. Okay, and a extremely large double sink with a nice faucet right here. Okay, one thing you're going to notice right off the bat as well is, there is storage everywhere in this unit. Okay, nicely, nice and solid, real wood that they use. So as you can see, you have storage everywhere here. Okay, you're gonna have a dinette booth, okay, that also folds into a bed. So if you have any family members that want to be traveling with you, or maybe you just need more storage, this will allow you to drop it into a bed and make it nice and even. Okay, this particular unit will come equipped with the Thomas Paine collection sofa love seat. Okay, really nice feature. And you also have additional storage. Once you walk towards the back of the unit, one thing you're going to find is you also have a nice little closet right here. Okay, once again, more storage. And then it gives you access to the bathroom from both sides. So you can come in through the living room or you can come in through the bedroom. Okay, makes it nice and easy. Your bathroom is out of the way, and a really nice large shower, so easy to get around, and really easy and nice height with, for taller people as well. So if you come into the bedroom, once again, one of the many features that I absolutely love on this particular unit is going to be your queen size bed, okay, with individual lights. So if you're, want to wake up, maybe just read a book, or, want to stay up a little bit later, you have individual lighting, you have connections up there for charging, and once again, more storage everywhere with your access to the outside, okay? You will have storage underneath as well. And this particular unit will come with the Northwest Coleman camping chairs. Okay, so really nice feature right there. Really nice custom touch. One of my favorite features as well is that with the Arctic Fox, one thing that they do is they provide you with an actual mattress. Okay, a lot of the other manufacturers will provide you with a little thin mattress, and then you figure out if you like it or not. You can replace it, but 9 times out of 10, people absolutely love this particular mattress. So once again, Arctic Fox is a really nicely built coach. Northwood takes care of their customers. They have attention to detail, and they make sure that they provide you with the top quality for every coach that they build. Once again, thank you so much for taking the time to look at our inventory. My name is Gaston. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me on this particular unit or any unit that we carry. My phone number is 541-810-2202. Thank you.